Alright, this was an experiment. Put 8 seed potatoes in here that I got for $1 on clearance at the grocery store. They weren't seed potatoes, they were just regular potatoes that were gone, sprouted at the store. So I threw them in this bucket to see how good they would grow. And I wasn't going to film it because I didn't think it made anything, but then when I opened it up, yeah, they're not super big, but there's lots of potatoes in here. So way more than what I was expecting. And there's the potato I started with. Yeah, there's the original potato. It's pretty funky. Let's see, we have quite a good bit of what I like to call, me and my grandpa used to call, boiler size. You just throw them in a pot hole and boil them up and eat them with a little black pepper and salt, butter, and you're good to go. I don't even know what kind of potatoes these were because it was just in the clearance section at the supermarket. Like I say, it was 8 of them for $1. As you can see, I've gotten way more than 8. But anyway, I've gotten 4 more buckets like this, but the other ones were different color potatoes, and they're not ready to harvest yet. But see, if we'd have a longer growing season here in Alaska, they probably would have done a lot better because there's still a bunch of potatoes that haven't finished making yet. But anyway, potatoes just keep popping up. There's what I thought was russet potatoes, but I know that's not russets. Don't throw these little potatoes like this away. Boil them up and toss them in a salad and you're good to go. Yeah. Well, I can definitely say I got my dollar's worth out of this bag. And this was nothing more than chunking them out there, and I think I watered them once the whole time they were out there. And that's a pretty good one right there. Pretty much just let them do what they needed to do on their own. Like I said, this is just an old plastic barrel cut in half with some holes drilled in the bottom of it. So they don't waterlog if they get a lot of rain. Which they probably would have done even better if I had watered them more, because we have had a fairly dry season so far. And yeah, I'm very happy with this outcome. And I've only gotten one that's got some green on it. I don't see green on any of the other ones. Well, I'd say that's a pretty good little crop for one little bucket of potatoes. A $1 bag of potatoes in the clearance rack at the grocery store. Just toss them in and let her rip. Y'all take care and try and be more self-sufficient. You wouldn't believe the difference in taste of these potatoes versus what you buy at the store. There's night and day difference. Be safe. Over and out from Alaska.